Okay, guys, today we are reacting to Cruz this track. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's play it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have decided to acquire a gigantic fish. I'm gonna put it on a chair.
Good or not? Okay, let's see.
Who's control on this beat? Steak in a big bag with the Big Macs, eating all the snacks. You're a fat bitch, looking like a rat witch. Don't know what I did to you. Built like Thomas Train, going choo choo. Pulling brakes on me, bro, you're 23. 23? Battle of the Wolf in 2025. Bro, please move on with your life. What's that, a dead fish in my room? Bitch, you're still in the womb. Call yourself steak, that's a well-done mistake. Built like lazy, but so lazy. Or dash on the daily, this is getting shady. Greek on this day is about to go crazy. Hey, steak, it's me, Creek. And man, I gotta say, you really reek. Still can't believe how you licked your toe. Now all you do is let your garden grow. I stole your brain rots and I'll do it again. If you diss me one more time, I'll put you in the bin. Damn, steak, built like a motherfucking egg.
Yo, he just swear! He just swear!
Snip, buddy, your time has come. You're 5'1" and really, really dumb. Stupid. You make fun of me, but you got no hair. I took all your brain rots and you just stared. You pulled tasers on me left and right? Nah. How about you get the fuck out of my sight? I see the crack in your shitty act. Cruz gang on top, that's a fact. Pop your ass down, you're about to get packed. Why you always trying to kiss Creek IRL? Bitch, go and fix your smell. Here's little sis, let's let her tell.
Hey, Steak, it's me, little sis. I think you're really stupid and you know I never miss.
Mom's hurt, everybody get ready.
Yo, what up, Steak? It's your mom. Please go to moveout.com. You're 23 years old, living with your parents, bro. And it's time for you to go.
Take it away, Dad.
Yo, what up, Triple Chin? It's your dad. You got the second man boost. That's a diss. Get your lazy ass up and don't make me mad, so you can be fit and your muscles can do this.
Yeah, Steak, you better keep my name out your fucking mouth.
Okay, this one is, I say like 5 out of 10. I rate 5 out of 10, okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe. And we see you guys next time, and bye!